Hi guys, welcome back. So in the previous video, we learned about how to add pictures on our email documents, and I said we are going to learn how to do tables in the next video. But before we go into that, let's just do something on the hyperlink and the image. Let's say we want to make an image a link such that if we click on this image, it takes us to another page. So the image becomes the link. Unlike the one we did the other time, that this was the clickable text on the browser. So we want the image to be the clickable text on the browser instead of its text. So it is very simple to do. So we just put the alpha tag and put the href. And instead of putting, okay, let's just link this to Kitty's Droid, since that is the only link we have for now. So let's link this to Kitty's Droid, and then the clickable parts. Now, a text is meant to be here, but now we don't want it to be a text. We want it to be a picture. So I'll just put the image tag here, and then include my src source, and then put the picture laptop.jpg. Now, we are going to have two pictures. The first one is just a normal picture, while the second one is a mixed picture. So once I click on this picture, it takes me to kittysdroid.com, Kitty's Droid website, and there we have it. So it is not only text that we can click on. We can click on pictures, we can click on some other stuff. It could even be a button. So these are one of the ways we can manipulate the hyperlinks and also pictures. In the next video, we'll talk about tables. We'll learn on how to create tables, how to add information inside the table with HTML. We're going to learn all of that in the next video. So stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video.